Ever since I got back from California, I wanted to try surfing here in Colorado. I finally made the decision and got this. It's a 5'8" Montrose Hyper made by Hydrus board tech in Idaho. They specialize in paddleboards and river surfboards. This thing is sick. It's 5'8", so about the same height as I am, and 65 liters of displacement. So it should be able to float me on the Gunnison wave, or my local wave. It's got the pads already installed and a handle for carrying it, and it even came with fins. So let's throw some fins in it and get on down to the whitewater park. Alright, time to get suited up. Alright, we're in. Let's hit it. First surf on the Montrose Hyper. So stoked to put this thing in the water. Again, not the not GoPro. Guys, what a sick first day on the Montrose Hyper. This thing is a blade of all blades. Once you're up, it just stays right in the hole. It tracks super well, and you can really set an edge. So freaking good. I can't recommend this board enough. Montrose Hyper by Hydrus board tech. If you want to get into river surfing, this is your blade. Whew. Let's go get out of this wetsuit because it's my birthday and we got some festivities. Woo.